each night they do this, Father, I pray. In your hands, I know that it is okay. It's so hard to take off when trials break me apart. Yes, you it all you can, make it this far. Oh, Lord, I'm still alone. Lord, I'm trying to praise that I can ever go on. Oh, Lord, I'm still this far. I won't give up, you inspire me by your love. I serve you in better, love you more than ever. I won't lose faith, you are the way. I hope and hope that that's why it's I won't complain or wait or be fake. If the next day I won't be back. By the end of the day, I'll be true. No matter what I go through, I will forever be faithful to you. You see, I'm still holding on. Lord, it's only by your grace that I can ever go on. Don't take road, promise me to start. I will give up. You inspire me by your love. I serve you with better love and more than ever. I won't lose faith in you by the way. I hope when all the very much gonna be worth the wait. That's what I say. Won't lose faith. That's what it takes when it seems so hopeless. You to be strong. You know we'll do whatever it takes. I serve you with better, I love you more than ever. I won't lose faith in you all the way. I hope when hope is gonna all to carry on. It's gonna be worth the wait. If that's what it takes. Nope.